Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Iron Hoss Entertainment. Today we're going to cut right to the chase because I almost got a ticket for it. So we're going to replace the blinker bulbs in your second gen 1500, 2500, 3500 Cummins tail light. So what you're going to start with, you got two screws, one on top, one on the bottom. They look like this. T25 hex bit on them. Yank those out. Then you be careful with it. You just pull it out like this and then straight out. Easier with two hands, but there you go. So bulb in question is the top one right here. Turn it down, take it out. Don't be alarmed, I already took the bulb out. And then I like to just disconnect the bottom one too, so you can set this tail light over to the side. Like to holler at my boys over at Napa Auto Parts for hooking me up with these taillights. It's a small job, but they help me with my brakes and everything like that. So the College Station, Brazos County area, the Napa just off Highway 6 on 2818, they're your guys. So the blinker bulbs on these trucks take the model number 3057, and these are LL, well, I guess for long life, but you can see it says Napa on one side, and then if it'll focus, don't focus on me, maybe not, but anyways, 3057, that's what you're going for. Then you just take your connector right here, seat that bulb in. It's gonna be a little bit rough, a little bit tight. Don't break your bulb. There we go. And it set right in there real nice. Then I'll set y'all right here. Oh. Take your housing back. I like to start with the top bulb. Seat that in there. Seat the bottom one. Give a little twist. Boom. You're good to go. Then the studs on the back side. They look like nails. They go in those pieces right there. Then you just go ahead and you seat her back in. Make sure those two studs are lined up. Pushed in. Good to go. Take your screws. Don't need to use an impact, but hey, good measure. Boom. There's one. Boom. There's two. And you're done. So if you liked the video, drop a like, drop a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment. Tell me if y'all ever got pulled over for a blinker light being out. Tell me if you got away with it or if the cop actually gave you a ticket for it. So I figured that'd be fun. So Iron Hoss Entertainment signing off. I'll catch y'all on the next one.